All right, guys, so I don't want to make this video too long because unfortunately you guys can't see my face because I'm recording this in the middle of the night. So, and you can't see how excited I am about offering this particular course. So unfortunately you can't see my face, but let's just get on. I wanted to tell you guys, or give you guys a little bit more insight of what you're about to get into with this particular master course. You already know it's 2 days. It's on a Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern. So make sure you know that you have to go according to your time zone. It's going to be live on Zoom and it will be accessed through a portal that you will have a password to. This course is really for those of you who are interested in working from home or running your own type of business or working with someone in a business in ghost wig making. That includes myself. So that's what this is for. If you want to be a ghost wig maker for salons, stylist, for any of your business ventures or my business ventures that we'll be getting into, I'll explain that a little bit later. That's what this is for. You will look down below and notice that I have 4 major points that I'm going to be talking about within this master course. And I'm going to have worksheets, I'm going to have links, I'm going to have resources, and I'm going to be sharing things with you guys that I have done some recent research on and resources that's going to help you with your own business, things that I have not shared at all under the Wig Making 101 platform. So just wanted to give you guys an idea of what to expect in this 2-day course. So now you can go ahead and, click that button and reserve your seat. Okay, now I'm done talking. Bye.